Hi everyone, welcome back to Ed of Art in 2022. One of the best things about my job is being able to do all of the ordering for the resources that we use in class every year. And you can see here I've had an order delivered over the holidays, and I thought I'd do a little bit of an unboxing video for you to just share the joys. Is one of my favorite things to do as an art teacher. So we're going to unbox all of our goodies and see what we got for this year. Let's go. Interesting. Ooh, okay. Here we go. We've got some canvases here. Square canvas. So I believe these are actually for year 11. These are for year 11 for your abstract canvas unit of work later on in the year. So that's going to be really fun. Got some other stuff hidden down in here. Ooh, my faves. So these are brush sets. So these are also for year 11, and we've got some other brushes here as well. So I've bought some really big fat ones for the first time. I'm interested to see how these go. All years we'll be able to use these. This is why I try and make sure that people respect the brushes, because look how nice they are when you get them, and then people use them and they smush them and they end up looking pretty sad. So we've got to make sure we take care of them. Ooh, I love new brushes. And we've got some tiny little canvases. Look at what I are. Big tub of Gesso Primer for all the boards and things that we want to paint on. And what else have we got? Oh, impasto. My elective class really love the impasto when we're doing painting because it gives you that thickness to your paint. We've got some whiteboard markers. Well, these are going to be very, very valuable. So those are for moi. Permanent markers, so year 7 and year 8, you are going to be using the permanent markers for the works that you do in class. So those are good. Now, another thing that I generally have to replace every year because people don't take care of them. So really important that we are respectful of materials because they are not cheap, they're quite expensive. Watercolor. And that's it for this box. So watercolor, that is for year 8 for your Hunterwasser landscapes. It's going to be a really good unit of work that you're going to start the year with. There's another heavy one here. This might be more paint. I can't remember what colors I've ordered, so it's all a surprise. It's really important that we're responsible with our packaging that we get. So all the soft plastics that I get, I actually make sure that I recycle them through RedCycle. Peach. I don't remember ordering peach, but I must have. Maybe for year 7's pocket unit of work because skin tone, maybe. I'll have to double check. It's always good when you get stuff in the box that you can't remember ordering because it's like, oh, surprise. This one's going to have some very exciting stuff in it. Ooh. These are metallic paint. So these will most likely be for my elective class. We got here, oh, here's more of my canvases, little tiny canvases. Pencils, very important. The art room definitely needs pencils. Got some pottery tools. So I bought a set of these for people to be able to carve more intricate designs in their clay work. So you can see they've got lots of different heads and shapes on them. So we should get some really interesting designs there. More watercolor. So these are the brilliant colors of watercolor. So these are the ones that are really popular because people really want their colors to be really nice and bright and vibrant. So these are the brilliant watercolors that everybody's chasing in class. So for year 8, that's for you. This is more paintbrushes. Yes. So these are kind of the dodgy ones, you know, these are the ones where we don't care too much if they get ruined. They're a little bit cheaper, a bit more like what you use in junior school, but good for mostly for year 7, sometimes year 8. Box of flat ones as well. So look how nice and shiny they are. They're not stained, they're not like chipped or swelled with water, and their heads stay on. Most of the ones in the bucket, the head just comes straight off. More of my canvases. So year 11, get ready. And these are for year 7. So more canvases, but these ones are on board. So year 7, these are the ones that you're going to use to do your pop art portrait, which is very fun. Watercolor, A3 watercolor pads. So I bought 3 of these because people love watercolor. So that if you are interested in trying watercolor on paper when you are in the elective class, you now can do that. So that is all the boxes undone. And here is all the stuff. And there's all my canvases there. And I've made quite a mess with the packing peanuts, as you can see. So I've got to make sure I pick up all of those. So that's it. That's the unboxing of the 2022 Visual Arts Classroom resources. And there are lots of new things for people to be using this year. I really hope you're looking forward to doing art as much as I am looking forward to teaching you. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in class. See you soon.